Yeah, good day all. We are going to go through printing. Let's teach you how we can print our work. After working, go to floor level. So after working, you just to print, you go to your sheet, you load everything to our sheet. So you just go to sheets or you go to view. Just go to view. If you go to view, you see this sheet here. You click on sheet. When you click on sheet, if you don't have any of these sheets here, you can load it. You can load it from wherever you save the sheet. I will also send you a copy of it if you need it. So just go to where you save your sheets. Let's go here. Hmm. Okay, title block. You can see different colors, 0, A0, A1, A2, A3. Let's just say A2. You click on A2, so okay. So we have A2 here. So you just highlight it and you say okay. So you have brought in your shades. So how do you bring your plan now? You have two ways of bringing our plan. You can still go back to your view and go to this place view. You click on place view, you see your elevation plans and maybe floor plans, whatever plan you want, whichever one you want, you click on it. So let's just say this is this is the floor level you want. You click on it and say add view to sheet. You add it. So you have added it. So this is it. Floor plan. That's it. You can remove this viewpoint title. You can remove it. No title. You can remove it, or you leave it, or you leave it, or you just remove it. Yeah, you remove it. So this is it. This is how to bring it in. Then when you bring it in, you can now move it anywhere you want to move it. You can change the scale here. You can change the scale. Let's see what we can do here. Scale 200. You see, you have make it smaller. You have make it bigger. So it depends. If it's not well scaled, you make it big. So you can do whatever it is. So let's leave it at 100. This is how to bring in your plan. So there are other methods too. I'll show you. So you want to print, you go here. You can see print here. You say print. You go to print. When you click that print, it will bring you here. Then you choose your printer. You choose your printer. Say print current window. You can also set up here. Environment putting measurement sheets. So the number of sheets you want to print, you just click one. For that, this computer is not connected to printer anyway. So you preview your print. So this is it. This computer is not selected to print. So when you come to print, you do your setup. You know what? Center, okay. Go to A2. Let's go to A2. Fit to page. Referral. And you choose your printer. That's good. You can choose your color. You can now save it as. Save it to whatever name you want. So, okay. Let me say, okay. Let me go back. Print. So, you name it whatever. So let's go to our document and see what we have. to say? Let's see. So this is it. So this is, you can see what we have here. You can change all this if you want. If you just click on them, you will change it. You remove whatever key you want to remove. So this is how to print. Thank you. This is the first one. This is the first one we said. Okay. Another way to print is this way. Let's check how you can see. Let's do the second part of the printing. You know, just go to, let's go to sheets. Let's take this. So you have clicked this one, and but this one you just click to this sheet. You right click and it take you to new sheet. You go there, you click to new sheets. So you have learned how to upload your sheets. To upload your sheet, so you just click to the one you uploaded already, and you say okay. You have gotten the sheet. So just go to the view you want to load in this sheet through this project browser, whether it's first floor, second floor, whatever, or whatever view you want to use. Let's still take this ground floor. This floor level, just click on it and drag it and bring it in and paste it. This is it. So that is another way of printing. So when you have done it, you can now click here and edit whatever you want to edit. You can edit the name, you know, put names. You come here, you edit project number, date, drawn by whatever. Okay. This you can change whatever. So just go there. Remove this. You can change whatever here. Change it to your website or whatever. Change whatever you want to change. Put your email, change it, address, everything. Come here. Change whatever you want to change here. Just do it the way you feel is good. So whatever you want to change, change. can leave this if you want to print it with this, or you remove it. You can click on this and remove it too. Same way you did, you remove it. And title, you can leave it this way. This also, you can also remove this. Whatever you don't want on this title block, you remove it and load it back. So that's it. You can put whatever here. Type whatever you want. Put whatever you want. Yes. And go to your print and print. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you understand. Whatever you don't understand, you can call back. Call us, draw our attention, and we'll get back to you.